In Excel, calculation can be done either using formulas or function. In this video, we're going to see how to use formulas. Both the words seem similar, but there is one difference. Formulas are using calculative operators like plus, minus, multiplication and so on. But formulas are predefined name to some task. Both are being used and start with an equal to sign in Excel. Let's see how we can do that. We have this small piece of data in which we have number of units sold of products given in Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. So let's see how we can calculate it. There is one way which is a wrong way. I'll show you that first, which is always start with equal to sign, and then let's say we want to do the sum of these three values. So I'll type in 612 plus, using that plus operator, 608 plus 597. And then I have to press enter, that we have already discussed. So when I press enter, you can see the total is coming. This is one way. The right way is we press equal to sign, and then instead of writing those numbers, we select the cells, which is this B2 plus C2 plus D2. And when I press enter, it is also showing me the sum. You cannot see any difference in both these things, but there is a huge difference. Let's see what I'm trying to explain you. If I write or if I change any content in the cells, let's say if I change it to 500, and when I press enter, you can see that this is not changing, but this is changing. So this is we actually want. The perfect way of using Excel is making things dependent, linked. Do not use hard-coded numbers ever. So this is one way to do the sum. After that, if you want to do the sum of these numbers over here, we need not to do it again and again. If you go to the right bottom corner of this particular selection, you can see the plus sign is coming. So either you can click on it and drag it one by one. This will also work. Let me undo it. And the other way is you can see this plus sign, and if I double click on this, it will copy and paste it directly. Because the logic behind it, that it knows that there is some data on the left, either on the left or on the right side of this column. So that is why it is doing it. Now the average is, again you can do equals to this total and then divided by the number of content, which is 3. When we press enter, it will show me the average of the units sold in these three regions. Again, if I double click on it, it will copy and paste, but before that the number of decimal places are pretty much big. If you look at it, we can either increase or decrease this. When I click on it, it will decrease it. If I click on this, it will increase the number of decimal places. So let me decrease it to, let's say, 1, and then when I double click on it, it will copy and paste it down. The same way a subtraction we can do, which is equals to, you can take it any number. I don't have a correct example right now. B2 minus this, and when I press enter, it would be showing in negative. So let's say this minus this, and when I press enter, it will show me the subtraction. And if I copy and paste it down again the same way, it will show me the subtraction for all. In the next video, we're going to see how to use functions. Thank you.